Hey guys, Peter here with Ranney Blair in my basement office. Nothing too fancy, you know, got my credenza, my desk, my computer, got the printer down there. I had to hook it up with a wire, so it's kind of oddly placed down there. Couldn't get it wireless connected. Technical difficulties. But I was gonna make this video today, show you a cool little tool we use to estimate. So this is a Scale Master Pro. Basically like an electronic ruler in a sense. We use it to help measure, estimate. So I got a set of plans here from our architect. It's a whole home remodel, so it's pretty cool. We can do a lot of different things with it. This particular plan is 3/16 architectural. So for example, you can do something like this, measure across and say, okay, it's 15 foot 6 inches. Another cool feature is I can say, okay, I got that. Width, let me find the length. That's 355 square feet. So it's a pretty useful estimating tool for us. Gives us really accurate data and more efficient to scale drawings and understand the full scope of the project. So thanks for watching.